Hi friends, this week we're talking about weather. Have you ever looked outside to see what the weather's like so you know how to dress? We're talking about weather. It starts with the letter W, weather. Let's see what's going on outside today. When it is sunny, you can play outside. When it is rainy, it's so pretty, you can splash in puddles, but only if you're allowed to, because sometimes you cannot. When it is hot, you can go to the beach. When it is cold, you can go ice skating. When it is snowy, you can build a snowman. When it is windy, you can go fly a kite. Have you ever flown a kite? It's a lot of fun. So I have some activities for you to do with weather. Here at school, we have a weather chart that we look at every day. So I'm sending one home for you to do. This one is windy, rainy, stormy. We have sunny, cloudy, partly cloudy. You can cut these out with an adult's help, and you can put them on things any way you want to do that. You can get a little pocket chart. You can put it on a piece of paper, any way you want. Then here's a thermometer that says freezing cold at the bottom. Then it says cold, cool, warm, hot, burning hot. So you can get a clothespin and decide where on the scale it needs to be. And also for your chart, you can use these if you don't want to use a clothespin. And here's the snowy one. And then here's the weather today. So how will you build your snow weather chart? Then we have a weather journal that has pages for 1 week where it's sunny, rainy, cloudy, snowy, or foggy. And you can write your name. And inside, see what the weather is. The weather today is, and look what it is. And you can circle what you see, and it says it is a blank day, meaning what the day is. So again, today is, say what the day is. Is it Monday, whatever the day is? And then down here what the weather is. And you can work on that. Then a fun activity you can do is in here, you can be the weather. For example, here's float like a cloud. You can peek like the sun. You can shiver like it's cold. You can fan yourself like it's hot. And then there's a whole bunch of these large motor activities you can do. And if you're unable to read them, that's okay. That's what adults are there for, to help you through it. Bend like a rainbow, turn like a tornado. Have lots of fun with weather. Bye, friends.